Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. Today, we have an epic showdown between two security cameras that will keep your home safe and sound. On the left side, we have the SimpliSafe wireless outdoor security camera, and on the right side, the Blink Mini Pan Tilt camera.
Get ready for some serious comparisons, folks.
Let's kick things off with everyone's favorite category, the price.
The SimpliSafe wireless outdoor security camera comes in at $189, while the Blink Mini Pan Tilt camera is a wallet-friendly option at just $39.
Now, I don't know about you, but I love saving money.
So the Blink Mini takes the cake in this round.
Next up, we have the field of view. The SimpliSafe camera boasts a wide 140 gig coverage, allowing you to see what's happening outside your home 24/7. On the other hand, the Blink Mini offers a 360 degrees coverage from your smartphone or tablet, giving you a complete view of any room. It's like having eyes all around your house.
For its versatility, the Blink Mini wins this round. Now let's talk about video quality.
The SimpliSafe camera delivers crystal clear 1080p resolution with 8x zoom, ensuring you never miss any details.
But wait, the Blink Mini also offers HD day and infrared night view, so you can see what's happening even in the darkest corners of your home.
It's a tough one, but we'll give this round to the SimpliSafe camera for its impressive zoom capabilities.
When the sun goes down, you want a security camera that can still keep an eye on things. Both cameras offer night vision, but the SimpliSafe camera takes it up a notch with color night vision and a built-in spotlight. It's like having your own personal spotlight operator.
For its extra oomph in the dark, the SimpliSafe camera wins this round.
Nobody likes complicated setups, right?
Well, you're in luck because both cameras are super easy to set up. The SimpliSafe camera takes just 5 minutes to set up with no wiring needed. Simply mount it, connect to your Wi-Fi, and you're good to go.
The Blink Mini follows suit with a simple plug-and-play setup. It's so easy your grandma could do it.
We'll call this round a tie because both cameras make setup a breeze. Well folks, we've reached the end of this ultimate showdown between the SimpliSafe wireless outdoor security camera and the Blink Mini Pan Tilt camera.
Both cameras offer unique features, but it's time to declare a winner.
Drum roll please, and the winner is, pause for suspense, it's a tie. That's right, both cameras have their strengths and weaknesses, so it ultimately comes down to your personal preferences and budget. Remember, always do your research and consider what features are most important to you before making a purchase.
Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and we'll see you next time for more epic product comparisons. Stay smart and stay safe.